Hello, my name is Jordan Krizik, and here is my EDL 854 introduction. First year teacher, I'm at Natoma Community Schools. I'm originally from Nebraska, graduated from University of Nebraska-Kearney in 2016 with my sports management degree, and then I went back and got my transition to teaching for PE. I student taught out at Windsor, Colorado, just this last spring. I'm the PE teacher, pre-K through 12th, and then I'm also a junior high football coach, junior high basketball coach, and I'm also the high school golf coach right now. And I'm also the athletic director, middle school through high school. Some of my hobbies: sports. Love being active with sports, working out. Love going snowboarding or skiing out in Colorado. It's a blast. Going to athletic events, I have to be there anyways, but I do enjoy going and watching all the kids play their different activities. Traveling with the family or friends. My brother has two labs that he trains for competition, so I do like to go help him with that, and then also go to the different towns or cities that he goes to for those competitions. Summer jobs. I usually work at a golf course every summer, so that's nice, being out in the sun and being out with the guys I work with are really cool, and also getting free golf. Also being out at the lake during the summers, go bass fishing, just hanging out with friends and causing havoc out there. Future, the goal is to be an assistant principal, athletic director at a larger school one day. That's what I've wanted to be once I graduated. So that's what I'm striving to be. Nebraska or Kansas, whichever one works. I do love both states. Love to have a wakeboard belt, but we will see what happens. 10 aspects out of the articles, out of the who has control of money in the schools. I believe the principal should have more money over the budget. The central office, they just get a quick glance when they come and visit. They don't get the total spectrum of it all. The principals have a very good idea of where the money needs to go to. They need consistency within the district. It would be unfair if one school was getting all the money or different books and curriculum, and compared to another school, all the students need the same chance to be educated. Budget should be managed by both central office and principals. I mean, the principals they know their areas where they need to give money to, and the central office, they need to take care of their business as well. So I can understand where they need to be split it up. For the financial management functions of the school principal, this is beneficial for myself to know and understand these terms for when I start to looking at budgets. I can understand them. We'll be able to suggest ideas and just understand what is going on with the school budget. Understanding the financial limitations and flexibility of the school, set goals, and formulate the right financial management strategies. Hiring an account as an auditor for regular school account tracking and evaluations. School principals should have more to say in how education funding is spent. Studies show principals with flexibility can have better aligned spending for school priorities. They are able to use their skills to see an opportunity to benefit the kids. Arkansas has money set aside for professional development, but research shows that they have little to no connections to students' outcomes. If the Arkansas teachers aren't really going to take advantage of that money, I believe that should go back into the schools for the students. My own principal, I've seen my principal be very cautious about our school budget. There are some items that we do not have, but we have what we need for the students. Our school looks to minimize expenditures but maximize our student opportunities. Own concerns with being a principal or assistant principal, just the fear of unknown. I mean, something might come up with as far as like flooding or leaking or potentially tornadoes or weather. I mean, that happens around here. So just dealing with what may happen and then what I have to do to assess that situation. Just the fear of the unknown, I guess. And here is the works cited page. Thank you. Have a good day.